Find the integral of x sine 2x dx and use the substitution u equals 5 minus x squared to evaluate the integral between 0 and 2 of x over 5 minus x squared, all cubed. So let's have a look at this then. I've got the summary of the question here. So the first one is parts, isn't it? So let's use integration by parts. I'm just going to write down the answer. We can label this as v and this as du, can't we? So here, and label this I equals, so here, I is equal to, so it would be u, which is minus cos 2x over 2 when you integrate sine 2x, isn't it? Minus cosine 2x over 2 is the integral of sine 2x. You need the 2 underneath because when you differentiate this you get cos goes to minus, making that plus sine of something multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2, so that they will cancel and give sine. So this is u times v minus the integral of u, which is minus cosine 2x over the 2, so put that there. So that was u times v dx, which is 1 lot of dx. And this is equal to then minus a half cosine 2x times x, so I'll put that in here. So minus x over 2 cos 2x plus, this is a half, but this integral here is sine 2x over 2. There's already a 2 there, so it makes a quarter, doesn't it? Plus k. So there's that integral done then. Now part b. Let's use this substitution. So I'm going to put I equals again. So here I is equal to, it's the integral. Now x over this is u cubed. So we've got x over u cubed. U is equal to this. So let's get du dx then. Is equal to minus 2x, isn't it, when you differentiate this? So we've got an x, so we can bring the x dx up here, so I can get rid of this x, because it can combine with the x dx that is here. And x dx, take the minus 2 down and we put it there. So this would be 1 over the minus 2 du, wouldn't it? Because the minus 2 comes down over du. Replaces the x dx that we had here in our mind's eye. The x dx there, and that's u cubed. Okay, so when x equals 2, because we've got to do from 0 to 2, haven't we? So when x is 0, x equals 0, u is equal to 5. And when x equals 2, u is equal to 5 minus 2 squared is 5 minus 4, which is 1. So when we go from 0 to 2, in effect, as far as u is concerned, we're going from 5 to 1. So when x is 0, it's 5, and when x is 2, it's 1. So now we can do the integration, bring the minus a half to the front, or we could actually just put a plus a half and flip this around to 1 and 5 of u to the minus 3. du. So what I've done is I've used the minus to flip this up the other way, and I've taken the half out the front of the integral. So this is equal to just a half u to the minus 2 over the minus 2 between 1 and 5, which is equal to, take that out, minus 1/4, and this would be, then it's just going to leave this term here, which is 1 over u squared. Between 5 and 1, which is minus 1/4. Put the 5 in, 1 over 25. And then take away the 1 over 1 squared, which is take away 1. So that's equal to, I'll put it here, minus 1/4 times by 1/25 minus 1 is minus 24 over 25, isn't it? This goes into this 6 times. Minus times minus is a plus. So the final answer is 6 over 25 is the value of that integral.